to the value of x, given that we have x squared minus 1 equals open parenthesis x minus 1 and in close parenthesis to the power of 2. Then let's have it to be solution. Let us recall that we have this to be x squared minus 1 equals, we can have this as x minus 1 times x minus 1. Because when we have a squared equals a times a, so from here we have this to be x squared minus 1 equals x times x will be x squared, x times, here is plus, here is minus, plus times minus, here will be minus, x times 1 will be x, minus times plus here will be minus, 1 times x will be x, minus times minus will be plus, 1 times 1 will be 1. So from here we have here to be x squared minus 1 equals x squared minus x will be minus 2x plus 1. So from here, let's rearrange this expression and see what will happen. So from here we have x squared. Let's take this one will be minus x squared. Then let's take this one here will be plus 2x. Then let's take this one here. Already have 1 here. Here will be plus 1. So from here, this x squared will cancel this. We have here to be 2x equals 1 plus 1 will be 2. So from here, let's divide 2 by 2. So this will be equals, we cancel out. We have x to be 2 divided by 2 will be 1. So let's do the value of x equals 1. We can say we have this to be first method. Let us see how to apply the second method. So from here, we have to apply method 2. We have x squared minus 1 equals x minus 1 in parentheses to the power of 2. Let's arrange this expression so we can have it to be x squared, here will be minus x minus 1 in parentheses to the power of 2 equals. So from here, we have this to be power 2, we have this to be power 2. Recall that when we have a squared minus b squared, always equals a minus b times a plus b, meaning that we can have this as our a to be equals x, then our b to be x minus 1. So when we apply it here, we are going to have x, here will be minus into x minus 1 times from here x plus into x minus 1 and everything equals 1. So we are going to have x minus times this will be minus x, 1 times minus will be plus, 1 times this will be plus 1. Here will be x, this will also be plus x minus 1 and everything equals 1. So from here, this will cancel out this, we have 1 times x plus x will be 2x, here will be minus 1 equals 1. When you open bracket with minus with 1, this will be 2x minus 1 equals 1. And so therefore we have 2x, collecting the like terms, this will be 1 plus 1. So when we collect the like term, so this will be 2x equals 1 plus 1 will be 2, dividing 2 by 2. Then x will be equals 1. So from here we have x to be equals 1 again. So we got the same value for the first method and the second method. So comment in the comment section below which method is the fastest one. So now let us now check. Recall that we have x squared then minus 1 equals x minus 1 in parentheses to the power of 2. Then when x equals 1, so from here we are going to have 1 squared minus 1. Then is it going to be equals when we have 1 minus 1 in parentheses to the power of 2. 1 squared simply means 1 times 1, and this will be equals 1 minus 1 equals, is it going to be equals 1 minus 1 from here will be 0 to the power of 2. So from here we have this to be 1 minus 1 will be 0 equals 0 to the power of 2 simply means 0 times 0, and this will be equals, here will be 0, this side will also be 0. So we have 0 to be equals this. So meaning that since the left hand side equals the right hand side, implies that x equals 1 is correct. Then let us see how to solve for other similar problem as this. Assuming you have x to the power of 3 minus 1 equals x minus 1 to the power of 3. So from here you will use the same approach. That is, we are going to have from here x, this will be x to the power of 3 minus 1. The expansion of this will be x squared minus 2x. Then this will be plus 1 times x minus 1. So here will be x to the power of 3 minus 1. Multiply with this will be x to the power of 3. Here will be minus 2x squared. Here will be plus x. This will be minus x squared plus x squared, minus x squared plus 2x. Then this will be minus 1. So obviously this and this will cancel out. Then this and this will cancel. So we have this left. We have this and this. It will also cancel. Sorry, it will not cancel. So we have this to be minus 2x squared then plus x, then here will be minus x squared then plus 2x, everything equals 0. So we are going to have from here, this will be minus 3x squared. Then from here, this plus this will be plus 3x equals 0. So from here, when we arrange, we can have this as 3x squared then minus 3x equals 0. When you factor it out, we can have this as x squared minus x equals 0, which is obvious that we have x squared minus x to be equal 0. So when we factor x from here, here will be x, here will be x minus 1 equals 0. From here we have x to be equal 0, or we have x minus 1 equals 0. So we have x to be equals 1. And we also have 0, so we can have x to be equal 0 and 1. So that is how to solve for this. And if you are new here, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.